Hi, all. Good afternoon. Just going to start an incredible live session with founder of Bilbum Herbals with us this evening, and it's going to be a great session because Bilbum Herbals and work done by Sudha Sai ma'am has been mentioned by PM Narendra Modi ji in Man Ki Baat. So I'm sure that after this session, we all will have a lot of things to learn from. So do join us, and I'm just waiting a minute for Sudha ma'am to join me. Sudha ma'am, can you hear me? Can you just type here if you can hear me? Um, okay. Ma'am, you send me one request then. You send me one request to be named. Only one request, ma'am. I also invited you. No, ma'am, I can't see you. Okay, ma'am. Please wait for 30 seconds. Don't send me any more requests. Let's see if this gets through. Just wait for 30 seconds. Super.
Yes.
Good
Hi.
afternoon, ma'am. Finally, we are here. The wait is worth it, for sure.
Hi. No, I'm so sorry for this
No
delay.
problem. No problem. No problem. Absolutely my pleasure, ma'am. So hope I'm audible and visible.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so thank you viewers and thank you listeners for staying patient, and I'm saying the wait is worth. So welcome everybody. Today we are delighted to have Sai Sudha ma'am, the co-founder of Bilvam Herbals, a brand deeply rooted in Ayurveda and committed to natural wellness. Bilvam Herbals specializes in crafting unique herbal formulation based on traditional Indian healthcare wisdom. They offer a diverse range of Ayurvedic supplements, herbal applications, and food ingredients. This makes their products the best choice of your children's body massage, immunity, and much more. We are eager to explore the journey, products, and vision for the healthier future. So, welcome, Sudha ma'am and Bilvam Herbals.
Thank
So,
you.
just
Thank you, Rekha.
and I just have to show these beautiful packaging, and the way you have sent, they're so freshly packed. And I have to tell the listeners that we have this misconception thinking that they will taste bitter or something, but they're absolutely delicious, and you don't even feel that you've included these healthy packets in your meals and in your routine. So I really recommend highly to the listener viewers to at least have this healthy lifetime routine included in your daily day-to-day course, and I'm sure you all will be benefited with their incredible benefits of Ayurveda, and you'll feel close to the roots. So the name Bilvam comes from Bela Patra or Bilva Patra in Sanskrit. It holds tremendous cultural, spiritual, and therapeutic value. Sai Sudha ma'am is the co-founder of Bilvam Herbals, a brand noted in the wisdom of Ayurveda. Her dedication to reviving traditional Ayurvedic practices has earned her national recognition, including a feature in Man Ki Baat by Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri PM Narendra Modi. Under her leadership, Bilbam Herbals has also been felicitated and incubated by the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, ICAR. Sai Sudha ma'am is passionate about promoting natural wellness through sustainable herbal products, blending each old practices with modern innovations for holistic health. So, a warm welcome, Sudha ma'am. And I have to begin with that. What inspired you to start Bilbam Herbals, and how do you feel to be featured in Man Ki Baat?
Oh, yes. So the inspiration is always because when I was a kid, I got an exposure to Ayurveda when my mother got very sick. So
Okay.
since then, I've been interacting with Ayurvedic doctors and understood how they actually, diagnose and then treat also. And so, as I was growing, actually, I studied mass communication and I'm a health communication specialist. And then I got exposed to how allopathy actually looks at health, how Ayurveda looks at health, how tribal wisdom and all, how do they handle their health. So all these things I was actually, exploring, and of course self experiment and learning on how we can stay healthy without visiting doctors too much. And interestingly, after I became mother and knowing that Ayurveda works, and then kitchen is the best, lab for us and for kids also. So that
Hmm.
is how, yeah, I have started, because I never wanted my kids to take antibiotics and, various kinds of medicines, even for sleeping, small cold and cough. Even I was very skeptical about vaccines per se. So yeah, that is how the journey has started. Then we started Bilwam Herbal, and then yes, when our own Prime Minister, mentions and appreciates our efforts in herbal space, and then our innovation formulations he talks about, it was really a pride moment for us, and then it also gave us a lot of confidence that whatever I'm doing, I'm on the right path. So definitely, that gave us a lot of motivation, and we are still working on that, and we'll continue to work.
Absolutely, ma'am. And I think you're leading by an example and absolutely an inspiration for all those who are now inclined towards Ayurveda and understanding the roots. So, ma'am, among so many we have in the market, but what makes your product so unique, and how do you maintain the authenticity of the Ayurveda in modern products? Where do you procure your raw materials from?
Yes. So, as I said, I was working as a health communication specialist before, and I was working in Odisha with tribal farmers and then the women, the tribal women. And then, of course, I went there to give my gyan, but basically, the reverse had happened. I had learned a lot of things from them. How do they handle their health and their children's health? Because they have limited access to, the government health facilities.
Correct.
So since then, I started taking their turmeric, for example, because
Hmm.
Kandamal in Odisha is known for turmeric. So
Okay.
that has about 6 to 8% curcumin. So I
Hmm.
started using their turmeric, their honey, for example. It's unprocessed wild forest honey. It's not through beekeeping. So these are
Okay.
the things I started taking. And then today for Bilmam, we procure from them from marginal farmers of Kerala and then tribal farmers of Odisha, Jharkhand, the western belt of India. And then we are being incubated by ICAR here in Anand. And they have
Correct.
medicinal gardens and they're incubating us. So we are getting fresh herbs from them. So these are three dominant, places from where we procure our raw material
Got it.
to ensure quality. Yeah.
Absolutely, absolutely. And those who knows the value of these authentic Ayurvedas, and it's like it's very uncommon, right? So how do you engage with your customers and educate them about the benefits of Ayurveda and your products?
Yes, actually, after COVID, Abreka, if you ask me, there is some awareness on Ayurveda and the products, but there's a lot of confusion also. Like which
Correct.
one to use, which one not to use, which one actually suits everyone. Like, because we are all having different body types, right?
Correct.
So there's a lot of confusion, and there are many products which have actually mushroomed, which many brands also have come up,
Correct.
saying that, claiming that their products are herbal. But how
Correct.
do we handle the pressure, market pressure? How do I convince a customer?
Hmm.
Basically, we stand out because of our combinations,
Okay.
formulations, and
Okay.
we don't use any artificial preservatives. Sorry, any synthetic colors, fragrances.
Mm-hmm.
We use nothing of that sort.
Mm-hmm.
Formulations, when we say they are 100% herbal, they are 100% herbal. So when I reach out to any customer, or in
Mm-hmm.
fact, anyone I speak with,
Hmm.
I make them understand the ingredients in that formulation in the product, and how does it benefit them because of this formulation. Say, for example, there is amla turmeric blend.
Correct.
Yeah, so the one I have sent you. So
Yes,
that is
yes.
very simple. It has only 2 ingredients. Like other
Mhm.
manufacturers, we don't add some 15 ingredients,
I
make it
know.
very confusing. And we have kept it very simple but very powerful. And then
Correct.
each product has multiple benefits. Like in
Correct.
our kitchen, if you see, you have black pepper, right? So you
Correct.
use it in different ways. In your cooking, you use, in your tea you use, and then
Correct.
like in your milk you will use. So the way we use in the kitchen, exactly the products have been made like that.
Correct.
And because when the customer understands the ingredients and how they work, then there is no looking back. So we have
Absolutely.
about 70 to 80% retention in our customers. They become so loyal.
Correct.
Because they recover from the health conditions, whatever
Correct.
they have actually approached us for. And then
Correct.
what they say is, ma'am, actually we are fine now, but what are the products we can use if to maintain our health? There are,
Yes.
so that is how they continue to stay with us. So that is how we show very limited but very powerful.
Absolutely, ma'am. And as you rightly said, once it is all about faith. Okay, once they start using, they're getting benefited, and they've understood that it is
Absolutely.
not, the common ones were fake ones, and they're actually being getting affected and getting healthier. I think that is how you have so many repeat customers, and people once committed to you keep coming to you. So that's excellent,
Absolutely.
ma'am. And also you provide that enough knowledge, also the background, also, and you keep the process so transparent. I think that's also one of the USP of your of the product. So what are some essential practices or natural herbal remedies parents should follow for their children, like for physical emotional well-being, or specifically for new moms, for infants in the first year of their life, because that's the foundation. So anything specific to the new moms?
Absolutely. I mean, that is how my journey has started, in fact. I would
Mm-hmm.
say that I will take a step back from becoming a new parent, right?
Mm-hmm.
When you plan to conceive, I would encourage everyone
Oh.
to plan their conception, their pregnancy, and then
Mm-hmm.
both the wife and husband, they have to have a nutritious diet. They have to have a
Mm-hmm.
peaceful environment, a very friendly interactions, and then
Mm-hmm.
they plan their pregnancy. I would say it's just not the mother, both the parents actually go pregnant. Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah,
Yes.
physiologically only one individual goes through the changes and the journey.
Correct.
But I'm sure the modern day dads, they're so involved, and
Correct.
they should be involved. So both of them are going through it. And if both have the same diet, same kind of, spending time together and all, the children who are born, they'll be very, very healthy to begin with. And
Mm-hmm.
then the minute they're born, we have to, as new parents, we have to be very, very particular about what we are buying or what we are using for them. Yeah, right? And then what, as a new mother, I'm eating, because I'm feeding my child. So what should I eat? Because through that, it goes to my child. And how should be my mind, so that the same emotions go into my child. So it is very important for both the parents to ensure that they are very, very loving, they're peaceful with each other, a, and then they're having nutritious diet, two, and then certain herbs, definitely. And then we have ghee, actually, Gir Gomata
Mm-hmm.
ghee, coming to
Okay.
our product.
Mm-hmm.
So the intake of ghee by the mother will
Mm-hmm.
ensure that the milk that is being fed to the infant, the
Correct.
proteins,
Mm-hmm.
omega, and all the vitamins,
Mm-hmm.
minerals that are there in the ghee will
Mm-hmm.
also go to the child. And then
Mm-hmm.
the ghee we use, actually, the gomatas, the way we rear, are completely following Ayurvedic principles. We follow
Okay.
natural mating. We feed them with herbs like shatavari,
Wow.
neem, jamun,
Mm-hmm.
all these things, haldi, amla turmeric blend, the one I'm giving you. If they have
Yes.
any issue related to cold and cough, we
Okay.
give them also. Yeah, and then we feed them with seasonal vegetables and fruits. So the ghee that is coming from the milk of the gomada is excellent for babies and for the mother.
Oh, lovely.
Because
It will
mothers also have
strengthen
to,
the body. Yes.
yeah, mothers also have to get back to their original health, right? And the fitness.
Correct.
So both
Absolutely.
for the mother and for the child, it is very good. The ghee is taken by the mother. Yeah. And then two, instead of going for baby soaps, body wash, shampoos,
Mm-hmm. Correct.
creams, moisturizers for the baby,
Correct.
the powders we
Correct.
use on
Yeah.
them. I would highly recommend not to do it, but the one you are showing, Chandan Herbal Bathing Powder,
Correct.
this is
Correct.
the one that has to be used for, giving a bath to the child, to the baby, right?
Absolutely.
And then just
Mm-hmm.
before that, traditionally, we give an oil massage to the baby, right?
Oh,
So that
yeah.
their bones, muscles, and all, they strengthen. And they grow really beautifully because we have to stretch their muscles, their hands
Correct.
and legs.
Mm-hmm.
So do a
Mm-hmm.
nice massage with bale infused sesame oil. So that actually the bilva leaf and the sesame oil we infuse together, and the oil is very good for strengthening our bones, building the bones, and then building muscles and all. So the baby would really grow taller and stronger. Yeah. So give the massage and then use the bathing powder and don't use any chemicals. And then what do we do when they have a cold and cough? There is one edible camphor infused sesame oil. Just take few drops and apply it on their chest and on their temples and forehead and on the throat. That's it. And the cold and cough actually goes away. And then if you take a betel leaf, we eat pan, right? That one. So that we just have to warm it up, apply sesame oil and put it on their head here. So all the water that got into the baby's head, the cold that has got into the baby's head, that will actually be sucked by the betel leaf. So these are simple home remedies which we forgot, over a period of time. So these are
Correct.
the
Correct.
things we have to follow, and the baby will grow really beautifully and strong. And then mind also will be very, very good.
Absolutely wonderful. So, ma'am, Bilbam Herbals is not taking care of, after birth, like even before birth, it ensures that they'll have a healthy life and a happy life ahead. So,
Yes.
fantastic, ma'am. And I think even when they grow, this oil can be used, right, for the massages and all that,
Oh, yes.
even when they grow.
Oh, oh yes.
Absolutely.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
It is for everyone, but particularly for those years and when Mrs. for school going children, they can't apply
Mhm.
every day, right? At least one
Correct.
Sunday, nicely apply on their entire body. Lee ask them to, stay for 30 minutes and then give a hot water bath. Just
Absolutely.
look at the way they'll play their games, the way they start
Mhm.
thinking, because they'll be so fresh after a oil bath actually. And that is
Absolutely.
traditionally there in our practices. So that is what we should do. And there is Tulsi turmeric blend, which is an immunity
Mhm.
booster. So this
Mhm.
can be given for kids from 1 year to like anyone after 1 year, basically. But particularly for kids who are going to school, they keep falling sick, particularly monsoon. This is the season, right? So they go, they play with everyone, they catch infection, and then the nose starts running, and then all things happen for them. So Tulsi turmeric blend, very simple, even for mothers. Just in their water bottle, add one pinch and send them off. And the water
Oh.
is so fragrantful, they would love to drink the water. So one is it improves the immunity and they'll not fall sick, they'll not catch any cold and
Mm.
cough. But at the same
Wow.
time, in the school they'll be very active because it keeps refreshing them. So they'll
Absolutely.
be able to
Absolutely.
focus on studies much better when they
Mhm.
take this blend in water. And it is
Wow.
fragranceful, so
Mhm.
they'll not have any problem in using it also.
Absolutely. And I think it makes the water taste better.
Yes.
The aroma, the fragrance is also so good. So I think it overall enhances the taste and the smell, and the kids would really want to have it. So to my
Yes.
listeners, I'm going to repeat this again, that all the products are so tasty that, the usual conventionally we think that, it may taste bitter or something like that. No, they are absolutely very tasty, can be taken with water, milk, right? So as ma'am rightly said, it is an essential, when if you have children at home, to have these nasal drops, these tulsi turmeric blends in case of cold cough, and they're so easy to apply and extremely impactful and effective. So fantastic products, ma'am, and many congratulations. But so if I'm new to Ayurveda, as I said, these days people are not that much aware. So if I have to begin, so what would you suggest? What would be the first product any of our listeners, if they really want to go towards Ayurveda, what that one product you would suggest to begin with?
It is Tulsi turmeric blend because it
Okay.
can be taken by everyone and it's the easiest one to take.
Oh, fantastic. So it can be taken with water, it can be taken with milk?
No, only water in
Okay.
drinking water.
In drinking water. Okay.
Just
Okay.
one pinch in 1 liter bottle, and you're good to go. You can take it everywhere. Even at home, you drink that water for all age groups, any kind of health condition. No matter, our elders have diabetes or something, they can take. Our small kids can take, all age groups. Best to go with that.
Fantastic, ma'am. Now that you have covered the infants, children who are not even grown, you're taking care of them with your products, the growing children. Now let's talk about adults or the senior citizens and different health conditions they have. So could you be just specific that for what all health conditions, which product we should use, which can be beneficial to them and they'll feel a little comfortable
Yes.
having.
Yeah. So we have for diabetes and we have for any kind of gut issues, and gut includes liver health also,
Okay.
and cholesterol and those things,
Okay.
constipation,
Okay.
IBS, all this, and then
Uh-huh.
arthritis, varicose veins, so pain management that we have, and also we have skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, both hair and skin. So we have this kind of a range of products. We have immunity boosters also, even for adults. Yeah. So the same products dosages are different. We have for bronchitis, even sinus, asthma, and in kids we have this tonsillitis problem, right?
Okay,
And then
okay.
kids. So for those also we have products. What I do, Abrek, is basically we don't sell a product. We
Okay.
actually try and influence the mindset of a customer to follow, Ayurveda, to go herbal, and then home to experiment a lot within our home instead of banking on rely on a doctor for our health, right? So
Absolutely.
it's very important that all these are followed, and then we suggest the diet. We try and suggest the dinacharya. Basically, we call it as dinacharya. That includes diet and lifestyle. So we give the products, and then we understand how busy their schedules are, and how much they can pay attention to this kind of health. Because whenever anyone mentions Ayurveda, the fear is we don't have time.
Correct.
So the products from Bilvam are so easy to take, they're ready to use, easy to consume, and definitely tasty also. And then the same product can be used by all the family members. Like it's not that, adults for different, of course, for diabetes and all, they'll be having different set of products. But general health, it's all the same. Only the dosages are different. And this is real Ayurveda. Say, for example, you're making a bhindi sabzi. Will you make it different from, small children to adults? No, you make it the same,
Same.
right? That is the same logic we have applied for our products also.
So easy to apply, no hustle, because we all have less time and we're like struggling and juggling.
Absolutely.
So I think all your products are so easy to apply, so nicely packed, easy to even consume, keep them back, tasty and so helpful and beneficial. And you rightly said that it is inner motivation, and I think perhaps that eventually builds that faith. And that is why I think you have such a great customer base. So with this, ma'am, I understand that Bilvam Herbals is just like essential for every family. It's not like for only kids or adults. I think you have covered the products are so commonly used and they're so beneficial for just everybody across ages. And I think Diwali is round the corner and nothing could be, first of all, this is our bit we are doing for Mother Earth, right? It's sustainability, it's natural, it's Ayurveda, it's our roots, right? So teaching our next generation, our own generation who has kind of forgotten all these. So I think gifting your Radiance pack, and we'll talk about, and I'll tell you to just speak more about it. I think that will be the best gift this Diwali if we just give, because as I'm saying, these are all family essential. This is all necessity, and one should really have some of the Bilvan products put as an integral part of their routine. So, ma'am, more if you can just describe more about your Radiance gift pack.
Yes, actually, for this year, this is the first year we have launched a gift pack for Diwali and New Year and Christmas and all of that. So this has basically 4 products. One is Chandan turmeric face pack we have kept, and then Neem herbal bathing powder we have kept, and then we also have kept a herbal amla hibiscus hair pack we have kept, and then a turmeric powder. So basically all these 3, so it takes care of skin and hair, and the turmeric powder is basically, it is auspicious to be given during our festivals, right? And then the same turmeric can be used for cooking, for puja, for our body application. So that is the turmeric we are giving. And if you go online, you can place both bulk as well as individual gift orders also, right? And then why we have done this, like this is our 4th year, Abreka, actually. But last 3 years we have not done. But this year we felt every time in our homes we get chocolates, sweets, or some wall hanging or some handicraft. Basically a crockery set, something like that we get, or a leather bag. But I always felt like, why people are limiting their gifting when they love so much. Because when do you gift anyone? When you care for them. Right? So when you're caring for them, I strongly feel that you also care for their health, and take a minute and think what you can gift them. And this is a pack which will, is safe for them. It will make them happy because it's so special for their hair and skin. And then we are also saying to our customers that you can customize your gift pack. We will do it for you. It need not be a skin and hair. It can also be your immunity booster. It can be a detox. It can be a fitness. Anything I can guide, our team can guide in selecting your own gift pack, and then we can send it across to you. So this is what I want everyone this year to use Bilvam Herbals gift pack and enjoy their Diwali without any regret.
Absolutely, and this will add so much value, and this is the real gift to your loved ones, which will add health and care to their lives. And you rightly said, they come in beautiful boxes. I've seen those, and we can customize if you want to have a detoxification kit, or if you have an immunity booster kit, or as you said, the Radiance one, right, which will have skin and healthcare. And I think everybody would just love it, and it will change the whole perception of giving only, exchanging only sweets and other things. So it's a very, very beautiful and a value addition to those whom we will give, ma'am. So it's definitely a super thoughtful, I think, an initiative from your end, and it's wonderful that can be customized as well. Yes. So, ma'am, before we conclude, what advice would you give to the other entrepreneurs looking to bring traditional practices into modern wellness space?
So, one suggestion I will have for any entrepreneur like me is to not take a customer for granted.
Okay.
We have to take our customers the way we take care of our children. Like
correct.
Because if we think that the customer who is buying a product, they don't know anything, they don't know how to read label, they know nothing about the ingredient. So I can add anything, but they'll think it is still herbal and Ayurveda and they'll buy it. I would say don't do it, because then that kind of an attitude and practice will not make us sustain in the longer run. Right? Because the blessings that we get from a good customer is much more than what we will save as a manufacturer. So this is what I would advise to any entrepreneur like me.
Absolutely, ma'am. Thank you. Your insights are so valuable, and I'm sure everybody must be feeling enriched by now. So anything, any last message you would want to give the viewers before we end this live, ma'am? And once again, my heartfelt thanks and gratitude for sharing these incredible products with me, as well as talking about them and enlightening us.
I request everyone to go through our website. Now monsoon is happening, raining everywhere across India. So I want everyone to stay safe, use immunity boosters from Bilvam Herbals, and then also wish you a happy Navratri and then Diwali, and
Yeah.
use gifts and products and enjoy with your dear ones.
Absolutely. Thank you, ma'am. And thank you. And wishing you all and all the listeners all the season greetings for the upcoming festive seasons. And may there be love and light and peace everywhere. Thank you, ma'am. And thank you all for joining.
Thanks, Abreka. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.